Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ming. Today I'm going to show you a super relaxing homegrown plant flower arts. So let's get started. Okay, now let's make some flower arts. I found that flower arts are very relaxing. It helps you detoxing, smooths your mood, drop your tension. It doesn't require any skill. Be creative and let your feeling go with you. I'm sure you can make a beautiful art too. Sometimes it's very important for you to observe the texture and the color of every plant you have and create what you want to make. Feel free to try and replace it if you don't like it at the beginning. Adjust the size of the plants, change the angle of the plants, or take off the excessive leaves if you need. You can use some seasonal herbs like mint, spearmint, grapefruit mint. These herbs are not only just beautiful, but they also smell good and amazing. Okay, so today's videos are here. And I hope the piece that I have from our friend's plant can be sent to you too. And happy May. Feliz en Mayo. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, adios.